Alright guys, got my whole bag on now. Pretty big, got my tent, got a sleeping bag, got all of my essentials in my bag now. And we're gonna go up there, right up to the top. We're gonna be camping up there tonight. Right up there. Look at that view. There it is down there. Look at that, sleeping next to that, guys. Welcome to my den. Lovely. Look at this. Nice little. Check this out. Bet you've never seen one of these before. The roll mat. Job done there. Yeah, that's what I was comfy. Look at that. That's as comfy as it gets. Let's be realistic. Like, you can't really get more comfortable than that. Got the old stove, got the old cooker out. The old battery pack out. I can weigh down my tent. Chuck it in the back there. There we go. Two little dishes, because I'm a nice guy. And that's all my stuff. There we go.
Right, it went, didn't it?
Lovely stuff. Right guys, so we just finished setting up our tent. But I was rolled on the floor and look at that. Look at that. Absolutely got annihilated. It really stings. Itchy as hell. But there we go, look at this setup. The proper real deal versus bloody, let's go and have a bloody boogie. Look at it. Classic enduro hike style, mate. That view though, lovely. Don't look too bad, I mean, it is red, but other than that, it works. It works, I mean, it does let a little bit of water in, I remember it did do, but it does a job though, like, let's be honest. Enduro hike, like, it's about 30 quid a tent, 20 quid a tent, so let's be honest, it does what it needs to do, it just stinks of dampness. The ball. Stinks, actually reeks. Let that air out for a good few years and then I'll sleep in there. Like sleeping.
How you cook? Like Gordon Ramsay cooks in the kitchen, mate. What's all this rubbish? And over here.
Me.
You ring out sauce.
I wonder what it tastes like.
I bet you, I don't know. Is that bag?
Right guys, just had food. Look at him go. Yeah.
I know.
Well lads, a few last seconds of sunlight ever. Oh, for today anyway. But look at that, lovely. I did actually try and get a time lapse, but ran out of battery. So
What, guys?
that's a bit of a shame. But yeah. Kind of bed, but look at it. This guy's brushing his teeth. Look at it. Lovely sunset. It's already gone. But yeah, I reckon we'll head in now, to be fair. Brush my teeth, look at the little site. Don't forget to check out the website for your own LW tent. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna brush my teeth. What?
Right, pass me a bottle and open it. Or not. Why didn't you bring your black one? Should have brought your.
What? Why did you do that?
What?
Here. There you go, so I'll probably go to bed in a minute. It's 8:52. Look at that. Almost gone for the night. But yeah. See you guys later. Alright guys, look at this. Look at this, mate. Ain't too shabby. Got a little tour right here, right now. Got the pristine sleeping bag. Got my roll mat. Look at that, lovely and clean. Look at it. Nice little mozzie net, open nicely. So yeah, got the whole stuff really for it. It's gonna be dark in a minute apparently, but it's supposed to be dark already, but it's still light, like they always suggest. Probably won't be dark until 9:30 properly, but yeah. Nice sleep up here though, but yeah. In a bit guys. Heading to bed now. So good night. See you in the morning, lads. Morning, lads. Look at that view. Oh, look at the time as well. Nice little lay-in for a change. Good morning.
Yeah. Leave it in that for a bit and stir it and then eat it in a bit.
Lovely stuff. Looks lovely, doesn't it? Don't taste too bad if you drink it. It's lovely, isn't it? Guys, that is us down completely. Nothing left at all. Like, well, just the way we like it. But yeah, it's a bit of a cloudy old day today. Look at those hikers up there. But those lads are packing up as well. But yeah, I'm gonna make it back down to the car now. Get a coffee and some actual drinks. Have some more water because I haven't had any for a while. So yeah. Go down here, he says. Go down here. Look at that. Shiver and drop, mate. Mental. There you go. Falling over. Put my hand in some. Back to the car. Back down. Camped up there last night then. Lovely stuff. Following the crowd. Right, you guys know we went back to the car, left all our stuff there, and decided to walk up my fan, whatever it's called. So that's what we're doing right now. Yeah, pretty high now. Look at that. Lovely stuff. A little bit of a hike, not too bad, it's quite easy. We stormed up it, but yeah, that's what we're looking at right now. 1,424. So that's pretty quick getting that high. But yeah, almost at the top now. But yeah, what's going on here? We're in Hills or something. Someone's camped there. Lovely place to sleep. Right lads, made it to the top. Look at that. And look at these legends, like they're all just
I can't remember.
Camera next to that, that'd be nice.
Down there, didn't we?
Oh, we come up there?
Yeah, come up here and then we went down there.
Down there?
Yeah, down there, around, loop round, yeah.
Fucking hell, Phil, isn't it?
Yeah.
You can see nothing down this one.
What's
No.
words? Alright lads, made it back down to safety. Back down to the car. With the old cool box. Hey! I walked that, it's about 4 or 5 miles, so it's good little walk to be fair. That's quite good temperature today as well. It's not too warm, not too cold, so pretty lovely. Well, I just spawned into the maze. Getting bigger and bigger as you go up. That Scottish man was right. You always got to listen to them lot. They always know what they're talking about. Oh yeah. It's a bit dangerous down here. Back over. That is pretty cool. Oh, that's not too bad. Give it a good old swig, I would. Oh no, I'm stuck. Is it cold?
No.
It's not.
Off the shoe, that's beautiful.
It's so refreshing.
Why don't you just get involved? Oh, there's sharks and everything. Get the camera on quickly. Gotta get this guy on video. Oh wait, what did I mean your head guy? Really nice guy. Nice. Lovely man.
What, 10 degrees?
Right, come on. In the winter, all this must get like destroyed.
We need fucking sailors back. I highly recommend coming here. Actually lovely. Like, you would not believe it's only May and it's already warm enough to go in there. So nice. So refreshing as well. Like right now I feel cleansed more than having an actual shower at home. Like, it's just something about it.
We'll do that.
Second night is 7:24. I'm gonna head up there. Got the bags all packed and ready to go. Seems like I got more this time, but I don't know. Bag back on. It feels a little bit heavier this time. Not sure why. Probably because I got another 2 litres on me. Because last time I had not much water at all, which really was a mistake. So.
I'm using my water.
Got a lot more this time around, and I've got an extra bottle of milk for some flipping reason, as you can see. Just for coffee. I might just down the whole thing when we're up here as well. Well, because why not? First mission.
Oh, right, that was my ration pack.
Climbing up here is one, and the second one is getting the tent up. Oh well, we'll do it. Alright lads, found a good spot to camp for the night. Sun's getting pretty low now. So I did lose my tripod on the way here. It's really annoying, just snapped off. Like I left it here where the buckle is on my bag and just snapped off. Luckily I didn't lose my GoPro, but I lost that, so it's gonna be hard to have a video now without my tripod, but have challenges which make life interesting. Let's go and set my tent up then. And voila, already up. Look at that, cozy as can be. Alright, just go and grab, see if I can find some sort of rock. Grab a rock from somewhere. Got it. I'll do that is to put food like whilst you're cooking so you don't burn the grass. Last time we burnt the grass and it was really annoying, so this time that's not gonna happen because I've got a rock. Lovely stuff.
Some mince so I can start cooking.
Mince tonight, boys. Look at that. Lovely dinner served. Right, lads. Nice dinner, that.
Mate, that's like a blooming kebab, innit?
Alrighty, Nora. Alright, lads, so we've had a lot of food now, as you guys saw. A lot of mince. But yeah, it's pretty cold now. Like, it's only 11 degrees, which ain't that warm. So, yeah. And the sun's pretty much going down now, so I'm gonna sit in my pit. How cozy that looks. But yeah, sit in my little pit and chill out. Have a cookie and whatever. Some cookies. And yeah, in a bit, lads. Guys, how I do my dishes, part 2. Obviously, I've got to find some sort of natural resource of water. Which luckily I've stumbled across already. There we go. Pretty good. And then you submerge it. It's gonna be really hard to video this, but I'm gonna try anyway. I actually just realised last night, I didn't even close my door properly. I left it like this, I didn't even close the outside bit. So I could see the sun in that in the morning, so this time I actually closed the whole thing off. Yeah, anyway guys, I'm gonna go to bed. So see you in the morning. Night. Oh, that's not real, does it? As we're packed away now, flat grass central, mate. Look at it, nicely packed away, as you can tell. But yeah, we're gonna head back to the car now. Such a nice day though, like it's so much warmer than yesterday. Like, yesterday it was still like 3 degrees, 8 degrees now. Lovely, and it's only 8:30, so in for a good one, I reckon. So we're getting down the mountain. Motion trip like a rock climber, innit? Just walk down backwards. Look at this, guys. Lovely. Right, guys, I wanted to go to Weatherspoons, and I thought we were at the Weatherspoons, like generally, and I looked at the map. There's bloody King's Arms. We went in too early, so now we have to leave and go to the Weatherspoons.
We're nice.
I was going to do a podcast now. Weatherspoons 2.0. Had our food. I'm gonna head back to the car and probably get my car in a minute. And I'm really excited for the drive back. It'll be fun. Oh, back in the car. So hot in it. It's hot in it. Car back. Here it is. Fell, made it. Oh, I'm gonna lit it anyway. Well, let's start. Oh, just like that. Good car, innit? Oh yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy then. Obviously, I think that was a lovely bit of content and fun time with my brother. Hope you guys did enjoy, and please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace, guys. Have a lovely, lovely rest of your day.